I need to go to work. I will see you later, Sugar. You don't want to look at me? Sugar, I'm sorry, but I need to go to work. Yeah, I will see you when I come back. No, you don't want to look at me? Oh, you feel me bad, ah? You really feel me bad? Huh? I need to go to work, okay? Okay, Sugar, I will be back soon. I will be back. You're gonna have a good day, okay? I'm sorry. It's 6 o'clock. I need to go to work, okay? But says, you don't want to look at me? I need to go to work, okay? Pat says, let's see. She's like that. If she don't like me to go, she's like that. I need to go to work, okay? Bye-bye. I love you, Lit. I love you. See you later. I need to go to work. I'm sorry. Love you. They don't move. Bye-bye.